Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device so you can observe real signals. First, enable developer options and inspect whether mock locations are allowed. That flag often reveals spoofing. Next, install a GPS diagnostic tool and a permission manager so you can see active location providers and apps requesting GPS. While you do this, scan the installed apps for unfamiliar names or dedicated spoofing tools. Once done, revoke suspicious permissions, but keep diagnostic logs running to capture the next steps. Now analyze the data to separate true GPS from faked values. Use the diagnostic app to compare GPS coordinates versus Wi-Fi and cellular triangulation. Consistent divergence suggests spoofing. Inspect satellite count, HSTOP or accuracy numbers, and NME logs for gaps or repeated identical readings. Watch for impossible behavior, teleports, unrealistic speeds, or altitude spikes, which indicate synthesized input. While you gather logs, make sure to timestamp everything so you can correlate app activity. Finish by confirming and cleaning up. Cross-check the GPS trace with maps, route history, and a second device or service to verify legitimacy. If spoofing is evident, uninstall the offending apps, revoke mock location privileges, and reset location settings. Also change accounts if privacy was breached. If anomalies persist, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps and only then consider a factory reset. Troubleshooting tip: if you lose diagnostic data, reproduce the issue while recording screen and logs to preserve evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.